Hi everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Mahua and you are with me on Twam, a wellness journey with me. Before we get started, a little bit about myself. I'm a certified yoga wellness instructor from YCB, that is Yoga Certification Board of Government of India and Ministry of Ayush. I have also completed my teacher's training certification from Yoga Alliance, and I practice mindfulness. I have been practicing for almost 3-4 years now, and I'm also a mindfulness facilitator at my workplace. My journey of wellness started almost, I would say, 8 years ago. I started with yoga, practicing yoga, but I was practicing on and off and mostly practicing the physical aspect of it. But then I really got interested in the subject. I started extensively study about the various systems of yoga, various ancient texts, and I also started studying a lot about body-mind connection, meditation. I explored some different types of meditation like active meditation, transcendental meditation, and so on. During this time, I also got introduced to mindfulness, and that happened at my workplace, which again became a very integral part of my daily practice, and I really started enjoying that. If I now have to really look back, I think yoga and mindfulness have played a really important role in my life in the last couple of years. Rather, I would say these have been two of the most important tools which have helped me sail through some of the difficult times. Well, I'll always remain a student. I'll be a student forever, but I'm here to share some of my learnings, my experience, my knowledge, whatever little knowledge that I've gained over the years with all of you, and also learn from all of you. And during this journey, if anyone gets benefited, like I got benefited, I think that's really going to be very special for me. So we'll start. The first topic that we are going to talk about is going to be about what exactly mindfulness is all about. And as we move along, we'll cover different topics like yoga practice videos, meditation videos, breath work, some yoga philosophy, different mindfulness tips, practices that we can actually integrate in our daily lives, and so on. But today's topic is going to be about what exactly mindfulness is. And for this, I would like you to think of a time when we could travel, and think of a holiday, maybe somewhere, some holiday that you must have taken in some hill station or beach. You may have witnessed a beautiful sunset. If so, just recall that moment and think how it felt watching the sunset, just being there right in the moment, not thinking of the past, not thinking of any to-do list of the future, just being in the moment. Complete presence in the moment. And recall how it felt. That's the state of being in present, and that's what mindfulness is all about. But in our day-to-day life, day-to-day hustle and bustle, I think it's so difficult to stay in the present moment, and we run in an autopilot mode. We either think of the past or the future, the whole to-do list about our work, the next meeting, or some events from the past. Our mind is constantly either the past or future. We are hardly in the moment. Mindfulness is all about being in the present moment. So whenever we exercise this choice of being in the present moment, or being aware of our emotions, our thoughts, our feelings, we are breaking a pattern of thought or a pattern of emotions. And that's the essence of mindfulness. And if we see, this is also one of the mental discipline in yoga. I will just talk a little bit about this more. One of our ancient yogic texts is Patanjali Yoga Sutra, that was written by sage Patanjali almost 1700 years ago. And this is a compilation of 196 Sanskrit sutras, and sutra here means thread. So it's a condensed form of knowledge, theory, practical practice of yoga, the philosophy of yoga in a very condensed way. Like each sutra is like 1 or 2 line or sometimes even a word. And every sutra has different layers and can be interpreted differently in various ways. So this Patanjali Yoga Sutra teachings revolve around cessation of our thoughts by observation. I'll give you an example. This is from chapter 1 of Patanjali Yoga Sutra, sutra number 12, which says, Abhyasa Vairagya Bhyam Tanni Nirodha, which means we can stop the fluctuation of mind or functional modification of mind by practicing. Abhyas means practicing observation of our patterns with dispassion or non-attachment. Non-attachment, that is Vairagya, means non-attachment. So this is from Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and if you see, our modern day definition of mindfulness is pretty much the same. It says observing our thoughts, our emotions and feelings without any judgment, without any attachment to those. So this was a little bit about mindfulness. In the next video, we will be talking about some of the tips, mindfulness tips that you can use on your in your daily life. So we'll go from there and then various other topics. So that's all from me today. Thank you for listening to me. Be well, stay well. Bye.